Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here I am today in my old Range Rover. Do you know why I'm in my old Range Rover? I'll tell you exactly why I'm in my old Range Rover. My 5-litre Supercharged Range Rover was stolen from outside my house on the 11th of August. What an absolute nightmare I've been having. The insurance company, they've screwed me. They've given me £10,000 below the price that it was really worth, which I'm pretty pissed off about. Not only were my expensive tools in the back, they've all gone, along with my diagnostic machine, which you always have to carry if you've got a Range Rover, let's face it, in case the car has a sudden freak out. You need to be able to plug it in and find out what's wrong with it. So yeah, I haven't been having a very good August. So yeah, I've been dealing with that. But anyway, on another note, my new vehicle has arrived in the country. I'm going to be doing a video on that very shortly. Can't wait for you to see this new vehicle I've got, guys. Yeah, it's going to really laugh your head off. Now anyway, back to this L322, my old Range Rover. Didn't really want to sell it, because when you're in business you've always got to have a backup. But I sold it to a good friend of mine, and I said, there's on one condition I sell you it. If anything goes wrong with my vehicle, I can drop on it whenever I like. But anyway, they've kept the word, so I've been flaunching around in this. And I tell you what, guys, the L322 is a much better car than the L405. This one drives better. The seating position is better. Now, I'm not bothered about all the technological bullshit that it's usually in the L45. You know, yeah, the entertainment system and all that. I don't give a shit about any of that. I just want a reliable 4x4 that doesn't get stuck in the mud or in the snow, can pull trailers. And guess what? The 4.2 L322 is the best Range Rover. Why did I sell this car? It's like putting an old pair of slippers back on. Oh God, I miss this car so much. One, it pulls the trailer better than the 5-litre Supercharged. Two, it's more comfortable. Yeah, in the L32 you feel like king of the road. You know, you're higher up. The seats are more comfortable as well than the L405. I wish I never set eyes on the bloody thing. So yeah, I will never ever be buying a newer Range Rover. If I'm gonna get another Range Rover, I'll probably want to buy this one back, because this runs so well, because it's been through these and I've well serviced it. So if you guys are out there thinking, I've got an L322 but I'd like an L405, I'm going to tell you something now. Don't do it. If you've got an L322, especially the 4.2 Supercharged, fix it up and keep it. It's the best Range Rover by a million miles. Only between the years of 2005 and 2009. Don't be getting the one with the digital dashboard and all that shite. They're the newer ones. And don't get the 5-litre Supercharged. They're just full of problems. Timing chain problems. Yeah, the 4.2 engine is bulletproof as long as you service it every 5,000 miles, guys and girls. Obviously the gearbox, I've done about 3 or 4 times on this now with the gearbox flush, and it's had 0 issues. And it's done, this thing now has done 218,000 miles. Yeah, the back wheel arches are starting to scab up a bit. I think the people who have this now are going to get that done, because they love this thing. So yeah, I'm just trying to help you guys out. If you're thinking about buying a newish Range Rover, don't get it. And God knows what the brand new one's like. That P0, whatever it is. That guy from High Peaks Autos keeps going on about them. They're going to be an absolute nightmare to keep on top of. Expensive nightmare. A bit like the L405, the prices are way overpriced, and most of the time you have to go to the dealers for them, and they take your eyes out, as we all know. So Jaguar Land Rover, if you're listening to this video, which you probably aren't, but if you are, get your act together. These people are just turning up with their own keys now apparently and just going beep. Thank you very much. And there goes a £175,000 Range Rover, which they'll probably go on the back of a truck and then they'll be in Romania or some of these Baltic states. I don't know why the cops aren't going to the ports and just opening all the containers up, and you'll probably find them. So yeah, I've had zero help from the cops. All they did was send me a crime number. The insurance have been absolute twats, underpaying you, but they want the money, don't they, straight away. Now that one, guys, I've never claimed in my life. I've never had an accident in my life. I'm also going to lose over 20 years no claims. And get this, I still got to pay for my insurance till March. So there goes another 90 quid a month out the bank for having no vehicle. That's because you claimed on you. Fucking hate them. Cunts. Absolute. And the twats that have nicked my car. I tell you what, guys, I hope you burn in hell. You did nick the devil's plate after all, but imagine, guess what? I got my private number plate back. They were getting that as well. So whoever nicked my Range Rover, you're going to have nothing but hell and bad luck. Because you did nick the devil's 666 plate. So if you are busy stripping this car, I hope the car crushes you to death. How was that? And then I hope it's a painful death. I hope you're screaming and screaming and no one can hear you. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, guys, the next video I do, sorry it's been a bit of a depressing video this. Well, the next one I do, hopefully, my new vehicle from California has arrived and it's going to be a good laugh. So on that note, see you tomorrow.